Hi, I'm Tina Patel. I'm going to talk about if you're looking to do a project, what do you need to think about and what steps do you need to take? Every project is different and the process for each one needs to be considered relative to the specifics involved. We'd always suggest giving us a call to discuss the specifics, but as a starting point, we'd anticipate some sort of initial concept design development once we have agreed a brief and a measured survey is undertaken. A measured survey is critical to the success of your project. It ensures that you have accurate drawings of the existing site and conditions. The exact specifics of what is required will be discussed with you relative to what it is you are looking to do. Once the measured survey is in place, sketches have been reviewed and a clear design chosen to proceed with, drawings will need to be prepared if planning is required. Beyond this, there will be other statutory consents to consider, such as building regulations to consider the safety and structure of the build, party wall matters to protect you and your neighbours, and CDM regulations, which considers how your project will be built and maintained safely. Depending on what you are doing and the type of property you have and its location, other consents may also be required. These may include landlords or freeholders consents if you're doing works to a flat or listed building consent. We can help you through all these stages and those beyond the formal consents to get the project on site, including preparing detailed tender drawings which consider all the finishes and fittings, helping you choose a builder and managing them on site, as well as advising you when you should make payment to the builder and just how much. To understand a little bit more about all the stages involved and how your project may impact you, please give us a call and a member of our helpful team will go through things with you during a 15-minute free telephone consultation before taking things forward.